Today we have a video from Bodycam Stories, and the title of the video is Teen Steals a Beer, then Dumps It on the Cops, Arresting Him.
And then can you just summarize what happened to me? I was in the cooler, the security came and got me, and she was just like, somebody was stealing. A customer came in and apologized and offered to pay for the beer. Then she came back and they made me aware that she was under 21. I had her call you guys, and then she came back and she said you guys were out there and needed to talk. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, where'd they go?
She was outside checking, and the parking lot right there. That's her mom. She gonna pay for the beer when she come back after she do with you, okay? But she say that
It's the one over there by the sign?
Does she have like a poofy hair?
No, she have cornrow.
Cornrows?
Yes.
Okay.
So she think that she's like that because of school stuff. When she was at school, they might have put something into her drink.
So she's on this side or that?
Yeah.
Okay, show us, yeah.
To the left? I like
That's her? What's going on?
What's going on? Can you give me a black? That's black. A black?
Step over here for
Can
me.
you not touch me? Ma'am, do not touch me.
How old is she?
Do not touch me. Okay. How old is she? How old is she?
18.
Okay, why do you have that here? That here? Bro, let me go! We're not telling you again. We're not telling you again.
Wow. Damn.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
I didn't do shit. Now y'all get this handcuff
I
off
have beer
me.
all over me.
Bro, get this fake ass cup off of my face.
Kaylin, she's the one from
Bro,
David,
yup,
right?
she sure is. Bro, get these handcuffs off me. Yeah, you're going to
You're
jail.
under arrest.
Bro, get these handcuffs off me. No, you're going to jail. You just poured beer all over us. You're 18 years old drinking. I'm not 18. Like, what the fuck? Bro, get this. Not this way. Now you're going to the back of my car. Let's go. I'm not going to that. My car is on the other side. That got me fucked up.
You want to bring your car over here?
Yeah. Bro, let me fucking go. What's wrong with y'all? Bro.
See, the problem that I have is like the mom is apologetic that the teen stole the beer, right? But I think that's a big issue, of course, you know, that's a big issue, but why is she drinking? Especially in the presence of her mom at that age. You know what I mean? Like, it's like, okay, come on, let's be real. Okay. Some of y'all was drinking before 21. All right. Let's come on. Like, let's not sit here and pretend like it wasn't. Okay. We know what time it is, but to actually do it in front of your parents, most of the time you was sneaking off or whatever, like, you know, maybe a party or something or whatever, you know what I mean? A bonfire in the woods, you know, with your friends or something like that. Not necessarily with your parents. The only time I've seen people drink with their parents that wasn't 21 was like Christmas Eve or Thanksgiving Eve or something like that. They'll let them drink like wine or whatever with them. I've seen that. That is a thing, you know, but like that, I'm just like, damn, that's wild.
Bro, I'm not going.
You're under arrest.
Bro, let me go. I didn't do this.
You gotta take another charge. Don't do that.
Yeah, let me do it. Can you put her against my mouth? Can you
Yeah, wait, nothing. Turn around, face the car.
Girl, why is you holding me like that? Don't fuck hold me like that.
Listen.
Like, hold the fuck on, bitch.
I got it.
Bro, you're pushing me too hard. Like, let me fucking go. Okay, so get your...
Relax yourself.
I'm gonna chase your waistband, okay? I mean, if you want to fall, you're only means to fall. If not, we'll get you in the car.
She's crazy. That's what she's telling me, that she's crazy. I don't know why she wanted to pay for that bill, but it's crazy. That's why I called 911. I didn't know she was 18. I let her go.
That's fine. But the call taker that we got the notes that said she was pushing mom inside, is that?
Yeah. Well, right there. You can check the camera. She was I wanted to know how many pack of beer. But once I see that, when she told me that she's 18, and I saw her being very aggressive to her mom, pushing her with the door, with the car door, I was like, fuck mom, I'm calling 911.
Okay. All right, so mom was trying to get in the car or something like
No,
that?
I wanted to know how many beers.
Okay, show me how she pushed mom. You have the video?
Now she defended her. She said that she didn't.
Well, if we have a video, that's...
I have a small
If we have video, that's...
Was she Haitian? Was that Creole? But yeah, you know, on one end, you can't sit there and be like, you know, she's crazy, she's out of control, whatever. But when it's time to actually apply some discipline and get her in trouble for the things that she has done to you, like pushing you and things like that, taking advantage of you, whatever. Now, oh no, she didn't hit me. Like, you're protecting her now. Like, come on. Every action, you know, every bad action has a consequence, man.
Put your leg inside and stuff. Okay. Now walk away.
Okay.
And then mom, she had a PayPal card, which I'm gonna give that to you, okay? And she also had, she just had random paperwork. So I'm just gonna give this to you, okay?
Hold on. And the police says I'm the
Here you go, sir.
Dad, for that.
Hi, sir. Your daughter is under arrest for battery on a Leo, shoplifting, and public intoxication. Okay? Your daughter is underage. She stole a beer from the Wawa. She stole a Budweiser.
Yeah, I know. She's not shooting in mind. That's what I'm telling the, I was telling the sheriff. That's why my wife, she took the beer. My wife came back to pay the beer. Because my wife still had to buy something to drink. But my wife didn't speak. She gonna take the beer inside. My wife didn't take her to buy the beer. She took the beer without, that's why my wife come back to pay the beer. But even my wife, I don't want to pay the beer. But my wife say, when she grabbed the beer, she come back, she said, okay. As Christian, we are Christian, and I know there's something we cannot do. That's why I come back to pay the beer, you know?
Yes, sir.
She's not good on the mind.
I understand, but when I went to go grab the beer from her because she's 18 drinking a beer,
Exactly.
she threw it at us.
Yeah.
Yeah, she threw it at us, and she got Budweiser all over 4 of us, sir.
Okay.
And then she tensed up, and she tried...
She's not certain, I think almost all the sheriff in West Palm Beach, they know her. She has a court. She has a court next month for community service, stuff like that. You know?
I arrested her before, sir.
And two police.
I arrested her before, sir.
Okay.
I'm familiar. I know her.
That's why we pray as Christian. We are praying for her. That's why we pray for her. That's why.
No, of course. Sorry. Of course. But unfortunately, tonight she will be going to jail for multiple things, sir, okay?
Okay, but I don't know, before she really, I don't know if they're going to help me, if they're going to be able to help me We are even to get something, some place to
Yeah.
even 3 weeks, and that's why I don't know if they're gonna be able to help you.
Because she's 18, she'll be going to the Palm Beach County Detention Center,
Okay.
the main jail.
Okay.
All right, sir. Have a great night, okay?
Thank you.
Good night. Good night. You're welcome.
Yeah, seems like she's just off the, she's off her rocker, That's sad when you got a child like that. That's just a loose cannon, and you don't know what to do with them. Yeah, I mean, I think mom was protecting her a little bit. Dad, he seems a little bit more, whatever, just trying to understand the situation. But whatever, it's just a disaster. The most important thing is mom and dad need to be on the same wavelength as far as parenting goes. And it seems like she just really needs some help, like some real help, like not, boy, I don't know.